the washer, the GE washer is doing a cleaning cycle. I just wanted to show you what happens when you open the lid while it's washing. It doesn't say the lid is locked, so you can open it right now. I'm going to use like one of these rags to clean off. It's using hot water, extra heavy and normal spin, which you can't ever change those with this cycle. So there it is. I'm going to clean it off a little bit and kind of show you. That's the one thing that sucks about hot water and not knowing how to get the lid thing to work. That's what sucks about newer washers, that these lid locks are so complicated and just, I don't want to break it. As you can see, it says lid, which is pretty cool. And you put it back in there and it always does that, and then it starts again. So then it should start up again. There we go. It's got some good flow in there. It's pretty cool to see. It's just gonna fog up again here soon because it's hot water, but yeah. There was a solar eclipse today. Got pretty close to where I live. Wasn't 90% like in some places. I know Albuquerque, New Mexico, Ely, Nevada, stuff like that had 90% of an eclipse, but here, no, it was like 80%, but it's still pretty dark out from it. Not like super dark, but darker than it was. It's been cloudy, unfortunately. But anyways, I thought I'd show you this washer, and it does a pretty good job. So yeah, we have this. This used to be a switch for that fan there, but we put a knob on here where you can turn it up and down for that fan. And we usually never use it, but sometimes when I clean a washer, it makes this whole room humid and kind of muggy because of the hot water, so I use it for that. But other than that, everything else works well. This is I got the manual cycles printed out on paper right here for the washer, so the clean washer cycle is called basket clean, and it's right there, so it's just cleaning the basket of residue and odor. No clothes to be washed during the cycle. The options it gives are those: deep fill, deep rinse, and it says recommended use of at least per month, like once per month. You have to. It's highly recommended you wash the washing machine like every month, because when you use A-fresh stuff like this is good stuff to use. You can use bleach, but I usually use this. So I don't know how bleach works. I know there's some washers that you can only use bleach, but this one's good for anything. But anyway, yeah. Never load laundry when using this cycle. Laundry may become damaged or contaminated. Cycle incorporates a hot, deep wash, intense agitation. The dispenser purge on some models. This one isn't like that. It has a deep rinse. And then for the dryer, which it's not going to be used because there's no clothes in there. It's kind of faded, but this is the manual printed out for the dryer right here. Anyways, I thought I'd show you that, and I hope you all enjoyed.